What if I don't?
What if she doesn't?
I'm pretty sure she will.
All right, let's run it.
Let's go.
Also, I'm not
I
playing
like
Kane.
Pullman. Wait, is everyone in a position?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm in the position. I'm not playing Kane.
Why not?
I have something else.
Oh god. Should I be scared?
It's not
I
Cassix.
don't know.
You should be absolutely terrified, Katie.
I'm terrified.
Is it a Cassix level 7? That would
No,
make me
my
scared.
highest mastery is Kane at mastery 7.
Nice.
It's a 5 stack. We're already all here.
Yeah, but I didn't know. I didn't know if like everyone had it. Mauricio doesn't have it.
What?
My stream.
Now I do.
I need to make that 1 cent off of you, man. You're my husband. That's the least you
I
can do.
just got home.
I just got
Give me
home.
1 cent. I'm trying to support our family with this, Mal.
I'd make this house a home.
You what? What'd you say?
I'd make this house a home.
What the heck?
Oh, look at it. You're giving me an ad of Transformers.
Do you
Oh.
know that one?
I'm running Transformer ads?
Yeah.
That's weird. Some people say you can control which ads you show.
You can, but I think you have to be like...
Well, apparently I support Transformers now.
What the
No,
heck?
you know who I support? Shia
Oh, let's
LaBeouf.
go. Now we're talking.
That's who I support.
Man, I can
For
barely hear
president?
you.
Probably not that. The drugs would probably interfere with his decision making.
What are you talking about, Katie?
What?
I lost the train of thought here.
Shh.
Isaac,
What?
you better go to as many soccer games as you can. Because next season is gonna be expensive.
Yeah,
Canadian
it's gonna be-
soccer. Canadian soccer.
Yeah, Canadian soccer.
Canadian.
Black or
It's gonna be
purple?
expensive.
Black or purple?
Whatever's closest to.
Red.
Oh, well, do purple because
Oh.
you'll match. You'll match.
We're
red.
a lot of red. We're a lot of red.
Well, but Mauricio's purple.
I can switch.
No, Mel, me and you match if you keep that one. Me and you match.
Okay.
We all have to be red.
No, we have to match.
Well, I don't have a red. So,
Boo.
Well, sucks to suck, doesn't it?
Get your skin.
which Zyra skin do you have?
Boy.
Who, me?
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't know if it was a skin. I opened it and then we started playing.
Oh. Well, you need to look.
Really?
Don't tell me what to
Mastery 7 fiddlesticks. Ugh.
That's scary.
do.
Who am I against? A Jax. I can deal with a Jax.
Beat him up.
Beat
I
him up,
believe in
beat
you.
him up, beat him up.
Reese's Puffs, Reese's Puffs.
That sounds like a horrible cereal.
It is.
Also, I'm taking celerity and water walking, so as soon as I hit the river, I'm going fast.
Let's go.
Fast boy.
I like
Kindred's
that
so
skin
fun.
green.
It's the only kindred skin that I have.
Actually, it is really pretty.
She
It's
cute.
very like.
I want to be so good at Kindred.
But
But I just haven't played her enough.
that'll do it.
That'll do it.
I'll do donkey.
That'll
I'll
do.
do.
Me and Katie are walking like TikTok memes.
Flower, you
No,
can't be in front of my computer screen.
You're 4 months behind
Um,
Instagram Reels.
Hey, hey. Some of us like to keep our mental health in place.
That's a good idea.
This is true. That's why I don't make a habit of playing League often.
That is fair.
Fair enough.
Not tonight, though. Tonight we are
lose our
mentally
family.
ill.
Mental health tonight.
Yes.
I played with a really good Kindred last game. Or the game before that.
Don't expect anything from me.
Okay. If we do bad, everyone report green for intentional feeding.
On it.
Oh, careful. Careful, Michaela. Careful, Michaela. Well, hit him. Oh, now you're losing. Hit him. Michaela!
Oh no, Michaela!
Michaela, what are you
I'm coming.
Wow.
Oh
What are
no!
y'all doing?
Michaela, what are you doing?
Why are y'all even
Walking on a
there?
straight line.
He's starting at the top.
Money.
That is rough.
Listen. Leave me alone.
I profited. Okay, I profited.
From what? Her dying?
No, someone placed a ward and I profited.
Oh. I was like,
Yeah,
what?
Isaac can see where that ward is because he's right next to it. Just in the bush.
Yeah,
Hang on.
respect that.
Oh, Nico's about to get whipped.
Well, she just got a kill, so careful.
Sorry.
Michaela!
You're welcome.
Reporting for intentional feeding.
Are you paying attention?
Yes, I am paying attention. Are you paying attention?
I
No.
think so.
No.
Wreck this kid.
This Nico's trying to assert her dominance over me. I don't like it.
What do we
You
tell him?
have ignite. No,
Kiss my butt cheeks.
No.
Oh, Mal, I have a funny thing to send you. Or show you.
Careful. All right, Lux is back.
Oh wow, he killed me quick.
Mal,
It's okay.
do I need to report you too?
Oh my gosh.
It's a, what's it? Parks and Rec meme.
Oh, I'm proud of you.
Okay, well, I sent it to you. I put it in your folder for you, not for me. It was pretty funny, though.
Well, thank you.
None will escape my grasp.
Do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do.
All right, they have to go back.
Well, I'm winning on minions.
Heyo!
Let's go.
We'll see how long that
Yeah, we're gonna wreck this team.
She sucks.
Yes, we are.
Yeah, last game was a warm-up game, remember?
Yes, it was. Oh, I was kind of hoping that would bounce.
Let's go. Can't do anything.
I'm
now.
gonna wait for my merc to show up. That. It's probably the top skull. Oh no, it's not. Okay.
We have to push this way.
I gotta go back. I'm out of mana.
Yeah, that's why we gotta push it.
Oh no, Fiddle's
You
here.
gotta push it
Alright,
to
go.
the
Let's go.
limit.
I need to take my contacts out.
Me too.
Baby, hi.
You guys have the puppy dog?
We do have the puppy dog.
Now, that
Puppy
is
dog.
such old news, bro. Like, where have you been?
Well, I mean, I knew they had it, but I didn't know they had it this long.
It? You're calling her an
It?
it?
Gosh, what the
That's
heck?
rude.
Diamond is offended.
What?
Thoroughly.
You called her an it.
Oh.
Oh yeah, you have that thing.
You know me, I cannot say the right thing sometimes.
Is it the
Uh,
red Perna?
Homie's
That's okay,
over
I can't
here.
either.
Isn't
Well-
her other words?
Is
I think
raptors
Krika
are up.
didn't teach us right.
Personal information, Isaac. You,
Do-do-do.
Huh?
do you mean that school in
We got it.
Canada?
Yes.
Yeah, that's what I thought. No, Nico's coming! Oh no.
I
Everyone's
got
feeding
the
my
mark.
Nico!
I got the mark. It's okay. I'm scaling.
If that's what you call it.
That's what I call it.
I'm building fighter.
Everyone just
Ooh,
stop
yeah.
feeding my Nico.
Oh,
The forest holds many surprises.
I didn't even have to smite. That's awesome.
Oh.
get him, Michaela.
What do you think I'm working on? Actually, we need to attack him.
Now that I think about it, he's very similar.
What lurks beneath the soil?
Don't mind me. Just
Fiddle's here.
He
working
not die.
on.
That's crazy.
I thought
Huh?
you said you were gonna learn
Gotta
Jax,
push
man.
this.
Hmm?
I thought you said you
The
were gonna learn
cannon, the
Jax.
cannon.
I did. I like
Yes.
him.
Be ready.
But
Ooh, his Gromp is up.
Alright, let's leave.
Zippity doo da,
Dragon's up.
zippity my oh my, what a wonderful day. Plenty of sunshine coming my way. Zippity doo da.
I feel so encouraged.
What?
That was a
I
very
feel
good
so
song.
encouraged by your song.
Choke the life.
Fantastic.
Baby.
I'm just taking my mark and might as well sing while doing it. So
That's right.
It sounds like
Understand, man.
you saying that sounds like marking your territory. And
Goes beyond
Is in bloom.
that's just like the first thing that I thought of when you said that. I was like, oh, okay, you're marking your territory.
Good talk.
Yeah, have fun. How's bot lane going?
It's good.
There's a fiddlestick over here.
I'm
he's
sorry
not-
I can't stay on top of him. I'm still.
Oh.
Ooh,
Oh, there he is.
I have a mark. I have a mark. I have a mark. I have a mark. I'm just gonna try and run right on over. Oh, he's staying too long. I can sneak his mark.
Okay, when you say your mark,
Zoom.
what does that mean?
That little thing in the map.
Oh, the little blue thing on the map.
Get him.
Anything on the map?
He's not there in
He's
right
I
now.
don't see anything on the map.
Oh,
Alright, never mind.
I got it.
Ooh. Ooh.
You might get it.
3 marks. So they have that area warded, by the way. Just a heads up.
Alright, let's get a fleeting here.
And I'm gonna take my red and then go
Nico's
to
going back.
Herald.
Who's their jungler? Oh, Fiddlesticks. I feel like I've only seen him once this entire game.
Oh, there he is. It's because he's down here.
What they see.
he's camping bot.
Oh, you're going the wrong way, Isaac.
An ally has been slain.
Dang, Isaac.
Well, I think we were dead there.
Hey!
One of us was gonna die, so I was just trying to kill Ash.
Sorry. Did you kill her? Did she die?
No, fiddlestick kills me before I
Oh.
did.
Wah, wah, wah.
Man, I feel like we're getting close to killing, but we don't kill him.
Yeah.
Just a harmless flower.
That's okay. Once I get my ult, that's now happening again.
It's over for these fools.
Nico's missing. Oh, there she is.
Nico has 3 kills. What the heck?
I know, y'all keep beating her.
Hmm.
An ally has been slain.
She doesn't have ult.
An enemy has been slain.
Wow. I don't know why I went in.
How did I not get the assist for that?
Alright, I got ult.
That's right.
Alright,
You know
Katie,
what?
let me know whenever she's weak.
Nico, stay in your goddamn lane.
How many kills does she got? She has
Isaac,
3.
did you just say something to me?
Yeah, let me know whenever she's kind of weak. I'll ult and beat the crap out of her.
Oh. Well, she's being very, very protective.
So much more to see.
She thinks she's slick, but she's not.
Just wait.
Oh, she missed.
The world.
Michaela and I. I'm coming back. Careful, fiddlesticks.
Nice.
At least you killed her. No.
Oh, I didn't have my ulti, so I couldn't do anything about that.
I have ult. Okay.
Nico went for me.
Oh, she's gonna ult. She's gonna ult.
The forest holds many surprises.
Ooh. I'm just gonna make a beeline.
Come closer.
They have a ward here.
That's why I'm not going over there. Aww, bastard.
Oh wow.
Oh, there's a fiddlestick. No,
Uh.
careful, Michaela. No,
You know what?
Michaela.
I thought it was green. Sorry.
I'm not playing fiddlesticks.
I wasn't looking at the character. I just saw a glimpse and immediately assumed it was you.
You know,
Hey,
Nico
she's
and
like
Zyra
one
are
shot,
very
bro.
similar.
She's like somewhere over here.
I don't know where Nico is.
Wait, I can dive. I can dive.
I got it.
Or not. Okay, cool.
Nico's missing.
She's
Uh-oh.
right there.
Why?
Because I'm down here.
I'm coming. Run to me.
Shut down.
Unfortunate, but that's okay.
I'm coming. No!
Why does he get to heal so much? Why?
Oh, Michaela. Oh, ah.
Him.
Sorry.
Venture off the beaten path.
I thought Lux and Ash
Also,
were right there.
that's ulti again. Wait, can he do that before I can get there? Yes, because he now has 3.
Holy crap.
Oh man, I'm
Oh
dead
my
again.
gosh. What the heck?
Oh.
Okay, I'm just gonna go for another mark then.
I don't know what Nico's doing, but it looks like she's going outside. Oh, never mind. She wanted the smoke.
You don't want the smoke.
No, she wants the smoke. Oh man, you should have seen Beanie earlier, or Frank earlier. Woo! He was about to get him booty smack.
What?
He was in the sink, licking the dirty cornbread thing.
Oh my gosh, bro.
Yeah, in the sink.
Shit, I fucked up. I fucked up. I fucked up. I fucked
So
up.
did Frank.
That's big, Frank. Get on the stuff. Where's he at?
Revolt.
Fucked up. I'm fine, but I fucked up.
What do you do?
God damn it.
I'm
Okay,
here if you
never
need
mind.
me.
I'm so dead again.
Here, do your rain thing.
Bro,
Yeah,
why
I'm
is
on
he?
cooldown.
Why is he killing me so quick? Oh!
Mal, why are you
Wait, so
letting him
wait,
dominate?
What the heck?
I know, it's been a battle. I've lost.
It's always gonna be another mountain. You're always gonna want to make it
Really?
move.
Yeah.
Green's like, no.
No, I'm saying really to that stupid
okay,
Ash.
cool. You want me to keep singing then?
No, it's fine.
He's like, I'm okay.
You don't have to.
Nah, man, I
Oh.
ulted.
Run, 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 run.
Top's amazing.
Yeah, it's right here.
Wait, what?
Good.
Good. Mauricio's like, keep him over there, please.
Nico.
Well, he wasted his time because he didn't get any kills.
Ah, she ignited me. Freaking hooker.
So pretty.
She's a hooker. And she's not even going for tower.
I don't know what that is.
You have open tower and you're not
Ah,
going for
This
it?
asshole.
I'm going. Ah, dang it.
Gotcha.
Okay, so quick.
Enemy
Okay. I now have more movement speed, ability haste, and damage. Let me see.
Yeah. Let's go. Yeah.
It's very sweet.
Oh my gosh, how is she so fast, dude?
I don't know.
I don't know.
You gotta be what? For
I don't know where mid is.
Because
Oh.
she's
Right
here.
here.
Well, that's where she is.
Eh,
Why are y'all
Hey,
feeding
where
her?
was Fiddlesticks last seen? Just out of curiosity.
I don't know.
I haven't seen them.
Wow, 22
I'm gonna
to 9.
invade him.
This is kind of rough.
22 to 9.
Hey, this is the warm up with Mauricio.
This is my warm up. I could have played this game. Crazy.
Who's the most
Green, I need help, man. They're gonna get tower.
Yeah, it's by far.
You don't think I can help?
I'll go.
Just
mid.
scare her.
Here, actually,
Oh,
me and
shit.
Michaela are gonna go. Mid,
How did
and,
that hit me?
I need
and
help,
then,
man. I need help, man.
You go battling.
Watch your back, Mauricio.
Yeah, so.
If y'all go mid, I'll go by.
Yeah. That's what
I'll
I'm saying.
TP. No, I said that.
You said okay. I'm sorry.
Oh no.
venture off the beaten path.
Oh boy.
What the?
They ain't never seen. They ain't never seen these dragons. They ain't never seen dragon babies like this. Ooh, it feels weird
Oh
being
my
on the
gosh,
bot
of
lane. I
course.
haven't been here in a while.
An enemy is unstoppable.
Okay.
Yay.
That's actually not the worst.
Come back.
I got sacrificed.
I can feel it.
To the muffin man.
Just wait.
Yeah.
I don't know where a bot is.
Fiddle's coming.
I don't know where top is.
Oh, there they are.
Oh shit, fuck me.
I don't know where top
Gonna
is.
run.
Someone's over here.
Why does he come with me, bastard? Fucking hell. Oh boy.
Ooh,
No, I
ooh,
wanted
ooh.
my mark.
Get him,
You got it, you got it, you got it!
Mm,
You got it!
You got him!
Oh,
Nice.
Oh,
I
someone
am
was over here.
very okay with
Oh.
you taking that.
yeah, now run from that one.
Yeah, no, I can't take
Wreck
that guy.
top, Mauricio!
I did say that he was
Oh,
missing.
get him now, run! Oh, actually, beat the crap out of him.
I stunned him.
Good. If you guys think I'm gonna get cash.
Cool.
No! Oh my god!
Let's go. Let's push this tower.
You're welcome.
That's a good shutdown.
Sacrificial again.
I'm gonna go for dragon.
Let's go. See, I told you, this is the comeback right here.
Let's go.
That works.
Mauricio, you're taking quite a few tower hits there.
I know,
I'm
but
just
I-
gonna drop that.
Careful. No, get it, no, get
No,
it!
no.
I'm right here.
I got cocky.
Yeah, that's,
I got the zoomies.
pretty accurate.
I got the zoomies.
Get the zoomies!
Nah, not fucking Lux.
Oh, no, dude, no.
I'm coming.
Oh! Oh my god.
Oh, I'm on a killing spree. You see that, Maui?
That's good.
I'm on a killing spree.
Ah, Jax is here.
Oh man, he one-shotted me.
I hate
nice.
the Lux.
Oh,
That was
nice.
so freaking
Freaking so
amazing.
fair.
Oh,
Oh,
no.
Nico, no.
That was such a good
Oh,
ult,
man.
Michaela.
That was a great ult, Michaela.
I hate that
was nasty.
stupid blocks.
That was a good ult. Unfortunately, he's really strong.
Go for Jax.
Isaac.
Report.
Sorry.
Ratio.
Report this.
Dang it, I really thought we were gonna get that dragon, honestly.
Yeah, me too.
Well,
Yeah, I was very confident.
issue is I didn't have my ulti.
Ash ulted.
Yeah, I walked right next to it.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
walked
PP.
right next to it and they saw me.
Go mid, go mid, go mid, go mid. Never mind.
I got the zoomies. I don't actually.
Yeah, I gotta go bot.
Things aren't always what they
Gosh dang, I keep forgetting to get Oracle.
We're ripping through these minions, guys.
Where they at? Are they at Baron?
Oh no, no, no,
Oh no, they're behind
no.
us. Oh no, no, they're all here. No!
Ouch, Katie.
Run,
wow.
Katie, run! Just run! Flash! Flash!
Dude, no.
Yeah. No, I'm good.
I think it did.
Hey, I think you're about to get wrecked, my guy.
If you fight Jax.
Hey,
Oh,
hey,
sheesh.
look at that. Oh no.
No,
Kill him,
no,
kill him,
no,
kill him.
no, 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 asshole.
Oh yes.
enemy has been slain.
Oh dang.
Word.
Oh.
This is another warm up, guys.
Yeah, no, I'm definitely warming up.
It's always a warm up.
No, this is it.
That
No, no, no,
Ash
no.
has a
The next
tendency
one.
to be overextended. I
Oh,
think
yeah,
I'm
no,
gonna
this
camp
Ash is
her.
terrible. Yeah, this Ash is terrible, shit. But we haven't killed it that much. Huh?
I'm gonna camp
Yeah,
her,
it's kinda
and then I'm
steady.
gonna camp the Lux. Because I hate this Lux.
Do it.
Look at the zoomies.
I think that's a solid plan.
Oh dang! I got destroyed by a minion. Oh no.
Katie, you're being followed by something gross.
I see it.
Jax was over
I
here.
don't know.
I'm being followed by something gross.
I thought it
Yeah,
was.
it's
My
called
husband?
Jax.
No.
Are you sure? That was me. Wrong person.
Oh, Nico tried to be a minion and then attack us. Ah! Fiddle's here.
We can kill Fiddle if we're together.
Jax is
It's
top.
separated.
Oh crap, he's not pulling up though.
Man, this is pretty pushing, man.
Promising garden.
Oh no, Michaela.
I was gonna go help.
You're like separated from everybody else.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
was
yeah.
gonna flank him.
You were gonna what him?
Flank him.
I don't. What's
Mind your
blinking?
I said flank him.
Oh, I thought you said blink him. I was like, you're gonna
Yes.
what?
I'm gonna blink him with my
all good.
eyes.
Oh no, I'm dead.
Beat him up, Mauricio. Beat him up. Beat him up. Beat him
Go,
up. Beat him
Isaac,
up.
go,
I believe. I
Isaac.
believe. I believe. I believe.
Oh.
No. Okay,
Ah!
that's a problem.
Believe. Ah! No one.
Where's the
At
Jax?
least someone.
right
did.
here. About to kill me.
Wow.
Oh.
Yeah, this is a comeback. Let's go.
Good freaking.
Dragon's up in 30.
boys.
We
Not
need a
even
break.
close.
Yep, I'm resetting.
Dragon is forever.
Dragon
Actually, if they
is
get this one, then
forever.
that's it.
Yeah, we have to get
Wow,
this
that's
one.
rough.
We have. Yikes.
I
Rough.
do have my ulti.
Ulti.
All right, this is it. This is it. This is it.
I got the zoomies.
We need this dragon.
Should I go for it?
Yes.
Yeah, wreck him, wreck him, wreck him. Let's get it as fast as we can.
Let's pull it out.
Nah, I think
Nah,
we just
we
need to
clear
go
it
for
fast
it.
enough.
Ah!
Wow, Wow, I died. That's crazy.
No.
We got
Yeah.
it.
You got it.
Hey!
Let's go.
Nice, nice.
Kill him. You guys are stronger.
Run.
Or
Wait,
maybe
hold
not,
up. No. Get out of there.
Yeah, run. Just run. Get out of there.
An enemy
You got Drake though. That's
Do-do-do.
required.
Just kindred
Okay.
doing kindred things. Haha, they thought I'd stay in my jungle.
Hey, you're so fast.
Frank's being good boy now. Now that mom has food. I want lifesteal.
Gosh dang.
In his life too.
Crap.
Your turret has been destroyed.
Yeah.
Careful. He's gonna jump on you.
Do you
Just
want to sleep when I open that?
the harvest is
I'm
upon
here. And I got the zings.
Oh, I sure did not mean to do that.
I don't know where Nico is.
Oh, let's beat the crap out of this guy.
Yeah, every time we try to beat the crap out of him, we've all died.
No way.
There's 3
Yes
mid.
way.
Oh no, Michaela.
See, would you look at that? Would you look at that?
Oh, you were not with me. Look where I'm at.
Her.
I got the Ash.
Yeah, she did.
Haha.
She flashed.
Oh. Okay, I see how it is.
Oh, there's Jackson.
Okay,
Here.
let's
Nico's
go
here,
for
Nico's
Nico.
here. Go for Nico.
I want the Nico though.
Just,
Well, Nico's a hoe, so.
Okay, I like being able to see which one is
oh my
what.
gosh! I just got destroyed.
Bro, okay. We good?
Bro, okay.
an ally has been
We're good to go? I understand more.
Did we lose this game?
I'm one of the last
It's
two
36
that
and 20. I think yes.
46 and 20.
And
starting to
Whoever
come back.
says no.
No, I'll say no. I'll say no.
No, Mauricio
I
already
could say
said yes.
I could say yes.
Say
I
yes.
haven't said anything yet.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
So,
Get
yeah,
us out,
yeah.
get us out, get us out. Who hasn't voted? Who hasn't voted? Get us out. Like, quick, vote yes again. Vote yes again.
We gotta get off the water.
double FF.
Double the insurance.
Uh,
Frank, what are you doing?
Frank, I'm. You're done, Frank.
I literally just turned around and he was on the counter.
It wasn't me.
Jeez. I thought we were cooking.
In the kitchen, wrist twist it like a stir fry.
Yeah, we were cooking.
Fought him.
Who earned an
This
S?
is like a
I
phone
got
call.
the S.
You got an
I was
S?
cooking, bro. I was
You sure you
cooking.
did really
Isaac got an S.
Ah.
I hope not.
Isaac got an S.
I was
Oh.
wrecking that
Mauricio
monster.
just said you didn't deserve that.
What the heck?
Oh yeah, that's good.
Isaac, me and you had the top damage on the team. Let's go. Come on, Dragon Baby.
It wasn't enough.